Here we've got the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and let me show you how to activate developer panel on this device. So at first, let's enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and pick about phone right here. Then locate build number and tap on it 7 times. Here it is, so as you can see from now on you're a developer. Let's go back and now open system. As you can see, developer options appeared right here. Click to open and you can smoothly use all of them. So just pick the one that you would like to activate, that you would like to apply, mark it, and it will be turned on. Then to switch it off, just click on the switcher again. And whenever you would like to deactivate developer options, just mark on this icon at the top of the list. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.